So today we are going to start problem set 18 from chapter number 5, fraction. Okay. Yesterday we have finished problem set 17. Now problem set 18. By mistakenly here 17 is written over here. Okay. It's a problem set 18. Convert the given fraction into like fraction. Convert the given fraction into like fraction. Yesterday only I told you what is meant by like fraction. When the denominator is same, that time it is called as, when the denominator is same, that time the fractions are called like fractions. That time fractions are called like fraction. Now see our first example. 3 upon 4 and here 5 upon 8. We have to change it both the fraction into the like fraction. ये दोनों फ्रैक्शन को हम लोग को लाइक फ्रैक्शन में करना है. एंड हाउ विल डू दिस, विल चेंज दिस फ्रैक्शन इनटू लाइक फ्रैक्शन बाय मेकिंग देयर डिनोमिनेटर सेम, इक्वल. उनके डिनोमिनेटर को जब हम लोग सेम करेंगे, दैट टाइम दिस फ्रैक्शंस आर कॉल्ड एज लाइक फ्रैक्शंस. ओके, तो हमें इन्हें लाइक फ्रैक्शन बनाना है. Now 3 upon 4 and 5 upon 8. 3 upon 4. Here 4 is there. Here denominator 8 is there. See, in 4 times table 8 is coming. 4 के टेबल में 8 आता है. But 8 times table 4 is not coming. Correct ना? 4 के टेबल में 8 आता है, लेकिन 8 के टेबल में 4 आता है क्या? No. So we'll keep 3 upon 4 as it is. We'll keep 3 upon 4 as it is. We'll only change 5 upon 8. We'll only change 5 upon 8. Okay. So we'll write 4 upon, sorry, 3 upon 4 and 5 upon 8. So 4 के टेबल में 8 आता है, लेकिन 8 के टेबल में 4 नहीं आता. So we'll keep 5 upon 8 as it is. We'll change only 3 upon 4. So we'll give equal sign. 3 upon 4 equals to 3 upon 4. Okay. Now we'll give multiplication side because we want the denominator bigger than the actual denominator. जो denominator है उससे बड़ा denominator चाहिए. So when we need bigger denominator, that time we are using multiplication. Correct, no? जब denominator multiply करेंगे तो ही बढ़ेगा ना. When we'll do division, that time it will go smaller. वो छोटा होगा. Now we want bigger denominator. Now say me, in 4 times table, at what place this 8 is coming? Which number you will use to multiply this 4 so that you can get 8 over here? 4 2s are 8. Correct, Arya? Very good. So 4 2s are 8. Now in the denominator you are using 2, means in the numerator also you are using 2 only. So 3 2s are, I am writing over here. Okay. Now place is not there, so I am writing here. 3 2s are 6 upon 4 2s are 8. Means 6 upon 8 and 5 upon 8. 6 upon 8 and 5 upon 8. These both are like fraction. These both are the like fraction. समझ में आया? 3 upon 4 and 5 upon 8 we have to change in the like fraction. So what we'll do? We'll change 4. Okay. क्योंकि 4 के टेबल में 8 आता है, लेकिन 8 के टेबल में 4 नहीं आता. So what we'll do? We'll change 4. So what we'll do? 3 upon 4. We'll give equal sign. 3 into 2 and 4 into 2. Why we are taking 4 into 2? Because 4 2s are 8 and we want 8 in the denominator because our second fraction having 8 in the denominator. So 4 2s are 8 and in the numerator 3 2s are 6. So thus 6 upon 8 and 5 upon 8 are like fractions because their denominator are same. Correct? Understood? Understood? We'll see next one. We'll see the next one. Okay. Fourth one. 2 upon 9 and 1 upon 6. 1 upon 6. Now 9 and 6 both are not coming in same table. 9 के टेबल में 6 नहीं आता और 6 के टेबल में 9 नहीं आता. आता है क्या? टेल मी. 9 के टेबल में 6 आता है और 6 के टेबल में 9 आता है. नो. So what we'll do? We'll do one by one. So we'll take first 2 by 9. क्योंकि दोनों के टेबल में दोनों नंबर नहीं आते, that's why we are taking single fraction. Okay, so 2 upon 9. Okay, give equal sign. 2 upon 9, give into sign. अब ये दोनों के टेबल में 9 के टेबल में 6 नहीं आता और 6 के टेबल में 9 नहीं आता. That time what we'll do? We'll multiply first fraction by second denominator and second fraction by first denominator. जब दोनों नंबर दोनों टेबल में नहीं आते उस वक्त क्या करना है? फर्स्ट फ्रैक्शन को लेके सेकेंड फ्रैक्शन के डिनोमिनेटर से मल्टीप्लाई करना है और जब सेकेंड फ्रैक्शन लोगे तो उसको फर्स्ट फ्रैक्शन के डिनोमिनेटर से मल्टीप्लाई करना है. सो आवर फर्स्ट फ्रैक्शन इज 2 upon 9. ओके, so we have written over here 2 upon 9 into our second fraction is 1 upon 6. तो इसका डिनोमिनेटर क्या है? 6. इसका डिनोमिनेटर क्या है? 6. So we'll multiply by this 6. Okay, over here. Correct? 2 into 6 and 9 into 6. पहले फ्रैक्शन को दूसरे फ्रैक्शन के डिनोमिनेटर से मल्टीप्लाई करना है. ओके, सो 2 6 12 and 9 6 54. So here our denominator is 54. अब हम लोग लेंगे दूसरा फ्रैक्शन 1 upon 6. Okay, we'll give equal sign. Again we will write 1 upon 6. We'll give multiplication sign. अब मैंने क्या कहा? पहले फ्रैक्शन को दूसरे फ्रैक्शन के डिनोमिनेटर से मल्टीप्लाई करना है और जब दूसरा फ्रैक्शन यूज करोगे उस वक्त उसे पहले फ्रैक्शन के डिनोमिनेटर से मल्टीप्लाई करना है. ओके, सो वी हैव टेकन द सेकंड फ्रैक्शन 1 upon 6 and we will multiply by first fraction denominator. So our first fraction is 2 upon 9 and its denominator is 9, so we'll multiply by 9. Okay, so 1 into 9 9 and 6 9s are 54. Here also we get the same number 12 upon 54 and here we got 9 upon 54. So denominator is same 54 and 54, means these are the like fraction. These are the like fraction. पहले देखना है कि दोनों नंबर टेबल में आते हैं क्या. अगर दोनों नंबर टेबल में नहीं आते तो क्या करना है? फर्स्ट फ्रैक्शन को दूसरे फ्रैक्शन के डिनोमिनेटर से मल्टीप्लाई करना है और दूसरे फ्रैक्शन को फर्स्ट फ्रैक्शन के डिनोमिनेटर से मल्टीप्लाई करना है. दैट टाइम विल गेट द सेम डिनोमिनेटर. ओके, see the fifth example. For your information I am telling the fifth example also. 1 upon 4 and 2 upon 3. Now this 4 and 3, these both numbers are not coming in the same table. 4 और 3 दोनों एक भी टेबल में नहीं आते. So what we'll do? We'll do first 1 upon 4. 1 upon 4. Okay, give equal sign 1 upon 4. We'll give multiplication sign. Okay, now this is our first fraction. नाउ विल मल्टीप्लाई विद द सेकेंड फ्रैक्शन डिनोमिनेटर. 1/4 को हम लोग सेकेंड फ्रैक्शन के डिनोमिनेटर से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. सो आवर सेकेंड फ्रैक्शन इज 2/3 एंड 2/3 का जो डिनोमिनेटर है वो है 3. सो विल मल्टीप्लाई बाय 3. ओके, so 1 3s are 3 upon 4 3s are 12. Now we'll take the second fraction, 2/3. Write 2/3. Now you will multiply by first fraction denominator. First fraction denominator is 4. So 2 4s are 2 4s are, I'm writing here 2 4s are 8. 2 4s are 8 and 3 4s are 2 4s are 1 6. Huh? So 2 4s are 8 and 3 4s are 12. Here we got 8/12. Here we got 3/12. Here 12 is there. Here also 12 is there. Denominator, both the denominators are 12. Means these fractions are the like fractions. Okay, we change this fraction into the like fraction. I hope everyone understood this. Okay. Okay. Now we'll see the last sum. We'll see the 9th one sum, 7th one sum. Okay. Now see student, 7th sum, 3/8 and 1/6. We'll take the first fraction 3/8. Write 3/8. Give equal sign 3/8. Now I told you when you are taking first fraction, that time you are multiplying by second fraction's denominator. So you will take 3 into 6 and 8 into 6. 3 into 6 upon 8 into 6. 3 6 are 18. 8 6 are 48. Okay. Now this number is too much big. ये नंबर बहुत बड़ा है, 18/48. So what you will do? You will, one sec. 18/48. You can divide this number or you can keep it as it is. Okay. Now we'll take the second fraction, 1/6. Our second fraction. Give again equal sign, 1/6. You will multiply by first fraction denominator. So our first fraction denominator is 8. 1 into 8 and 6 into 8. 1 8s are 8. 6 8s are 48. Here 18/48 and here 8/48. Both the denominators are same. Means these are the like fraction. 18/48 and 8/48. These are the like fractions because their denominator are same. Okay, understood? Everyone understood this problem set? Very simple one. Everyone understood this? Please, if you understood, please type Y. Okay, so many students are typing Y. So we'll move forward to the next problem set. Problem set 19. Now stop typing. This is a very simple one. This problem set is very simple. Students, stop typing. I understood that everyone understood this. Stop typing. Okay. So our problem set 19. Simple one. We have to give only proper symbol. Smaller than, bigger than, or equal to in the box. Okay. Now 3/7. Our first sum 3/7 and second one 3/7. These are equal fraction or smaller than or bigger than. Which sign you will give? Equal sign 3/7 is equal to 3/7 only. So we'll give the equal sign. Okay. Now see the second sum. 3/8. I'll do little bit zoom for you. Okay. So 3/8 and 2/8. Here denominator is same. Denominator is same. यहाँ पे भी 8 है, यहाँ पे भी 8 है. These are the like fraction. So the fraction which is having the bigger numerator, that fraction is bigger. अब यहाँ पे दोनों के डिनोमिनेटर 8 सेम है, तो जिसका न्यूमरेटर बड़ा वो फ्रैक्शन बड़ा. ओके, सो 3/8 and 2/8. So which one is the bigger fraction? 3/8, because its numerator is bigger than this. इसका न्यूमरेटर बड़ा है. करेक्ट. We'll see the third one. 2/11 and 10/11. So 2 is bigger or 10 is bigger? Obviously 10 is bigger. So we'll give this bigger sign. ये आपको सबको याद है शायद से. The number is bigger having two sides. The number smaller having one side. Okay. So we'll give the bigger sign towards the 10. Now 5/15 and 10/30. These both are same. Which sign we will give? 5/15 and 10/30. Why equal sign is given over here? Can you tell me? See, 5 2s are 2 5s are 10. Now 5/15. We can't change this. But 10/30 is there. So what we'll do? We'll say the 2 times table. Because equal sign, we have to find out this is equal or bigger or smaller. यहाँ पे denominator change है. Okay, so we will not give bigger or smaller. First we'll compare this. Okay, so we'll say the 5 times table, 2 times table, because 2 5s are 10. अगर इस 30 को हम लोग 2 से डिवाइड करते हैं, so 2 1s are 2, 1 3 minus 2 1. This 0 will come. 2 5s are 15. Sorry, 2 5s are 10. Okay, so 15 will come over here. So place is not there. I'll do again for you people. Okay, if you divide this 30 downside 30 by 2, 2 1s are 2. 3 minus 2 is 1. We'll take this 0 down. So number is 10. 2 5s are 10. So what is our quotient over here? 15. So 2 5s are 10. And if you divide 30 by 2, you are getting 15. So here also we got pi/15. यहाँ पे भी हमें क्या मिला? pi/15. So 5/15 and pi/15 is bigger or smaller or equal? Equal. So that's why we have given here equal sign. Okay, equal sign. Understood? Understood everyone? Now see 7th example. Now this is little bit different. Pay attention. Okay, this is 10/11 and this fraction is 10/30. Now see, observe. Here numerator is same 10 and denominator is different. Numerator is same 10 10, but in the first fraction denominator is 11 and in the second fraction denominator is 13. Now see student, when we are seeing denominator, that time the denominator which is small, that fraction is bigger. हम लोग ने अभी क्या देखा कि जिसका न्यूमरेटर बड़ा होता है, डिनोमिनेटर अगर सेम हो और न्यूमरेटर बड़ा होता है तो वो फ्रैक्शन बड़ा होता है. बट व्हेन वी आर सीइंग, जब न्यूमरेटर सेम हो और हम लोग डिनोमिनेटर कंपेयर कर रहे हो, तो उस वक्त जो डिनोमिनेटर सबसे बड़ा होगा वो फ्रैक्शन छोटा होगा. डिनोमिनेटर बड़ा, फ्रैक्शन छोटा, न्यूमरेटर बड़ा, फ्रैक्शन बड़ा. ओके, समझ में आ रहा है ये बात? Here 3/8 and 2/8 is there. तो इसका डिनोमिनेटर सेम था, तो हम लोग ने क्या कंपेयर किया? न्यूमरेटर, जिसका न्यूमरेटर बड़ा तो वो फ्रैक्शन बड़ा था. बट नाउ वी आर सी दिस सेवेंथ वन, इसका न्यूमरेटर अभी सेम है 10 10. तो हमें अभी क्या कंपेयर करना है, डिनोमिनेटर. और जिसका डिनोमिनेटर बड़ा, दैट फ्रैक्शन इज स्मॉल. ऑलवेज remember this. If you are having bigger denominator, that time that fraction is small. Okay, that fraction is smaller. Now 10 upon 11 and 10 upon 13. In this fraction, 10 upon 11 is the bigger fraction because its denominator is smaller than 10 upon 13 denominator. ओके, इसका डिनोमिनेटर छोटा है तो इसलिए ये फ्रैक्शन बड़ा है. ओके, नाउ सी द 8 one example. 1 upon 5 and 1 upon 9. Here numerator 1 and 1 same, so leave it. We'll see the denominator 5 and 9. Okay, so see 9 is bigger than 5, so this 9 is bigger than 5. That's why 1 upon 5 is bigger fraction. जिसका डिनोमिनेटर बड़ा होता है वो फ्रैक्शन छोटा होता है. ओके, दैट्स व्हाई दिस 1 upon 5 is bigger than 1 upon 9. 1 upon 5 is bigger than 1 upon 9. See here also 5 upon 6 and 1 upon 8. Now this numerator is different, so leave that numerator. उसे भी छोड़ देना है. अगर सेम है तो ठीक है, नहीं सेम है तो भी ठीक है, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. बट विल सी द डिनोमिनेटर 6 and 8. नाउ 8 इज बिगर देन 6. तो 8 अगर बड़ा है तो ये फ्रैक्शन क्या होगा, छोटा होगा. सो 5 upon 6 इज द बिगर फ्रैक्शन. ये कौन सा फ्रैक्शन आएगा, बिगर वाला फ्रैक्शन आएगा. सो विल गिव द बिगर साइन, बिगर देन 1 upon 8. Understood everyone? Now 4 upon 9 and 4 upon 9. These are the equal fractions. Correct? Correct? Understood everyone? Understood? Here see. 2 upon 3. 2 upon 3 and 4 upon 7. Now here denominator is 3, here denominator is 7. 7 is bigger than 3. Means 4 upon 7. This fraction is smaller than 2 upon 3. This fraction is smaller than 2 upon 3. Understood? Understood everyone? सबको ये बातें समझ में आ रही है? Everyone understood this problem set? So we finished the problem set 18, 19 and the simple one addition, problem set 20. Problem set 20. Okay. So add 1 upon 5 plus 3 upon 5. Okay student. Now here 1 upon 5 and 3 upon 5. Now denominator is same. So our next step is give equal sign. I'm giving here equal sign. Question is here 1 upon 5 plus 3 upon 5. So what we'll do? We'll give only single time. We'll write 1 upon 5. Beta, I'll erase it. Okay. So 1 upon 5 plus 3 upon 5. Okay. Now denominator is same. So we'll write only one time. अगर दो बार सेम ही डिनोमिनेटर तो हम लोग उसे एक ही बार लिखेंगे. सो विल राइट डिनोमिनेटर सेम वन टाइम ओनली एंड द न्यूमरेटर 1 plus 3. 1 plus 3. So 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 upon 5. So our answer is 4 upon 5. It is a very simple one. Okay. Simple sa addition. Understood? Now we'll see the second one. Third one. 7 upon 12 and 2 upon 12. We'll write 7 upon 12 plus 2 upon 12. Again give equal sign. Now denominator is same. So what we'll do? We'll write denominator only one time. Okay. So and in the numerator we'll do the addition. Okay. So 7 plus 2. In the numerator what we'll write? 7 plus 2 and denominator is same. So we'll write only one time. Okay. 12 only. So 7 plus 2 is 9 and denominator is 12 as it is. So our answer is 9 upon 12. 9 upon 12. Understood, student? Let's see another example. Fifth one. Okay. No, we'll see the sixth one because it is three fractions are there. Okay. So we'll see the sixth one. We'll see here. Now see, student. 2 upon 7, 1 upon 7 and 3 upon 7. We have to add these three fractions. Okay. 2 upon 7 plus 1 upon 7 plus 3 upon 7. Now the denominator is 7, 7, 7. So give equal sign and we'll add the numerator. 2 plus 1 plus 3. And denominator will write only one time because all three fractions having the same denominator. These are the like fractions. So we'll write only one time this 7. Okay. So 2 plus 1 plus 3. Tell me 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. So our answer is 6 upon 7. Our answer is 6 upon 7. I hope everyone understood this. Simple addition is there. Okay. Simple addition is there. We'll see the ninth one. Okay. Ninth one. 5 upon 8 plus 3 upon 8. We'll write the question 5 upon 8 plus 3 upon 8. Give equal sign. Now, what we'll do? We'll add the numerator because our denominator is same. So what we'll add? We'll add the numerator. 5 plus 3. Give upon sign. Give upon. Write here upon 5 plus 3 upon 8. Write denominator only one time. 5 plus 3 upon 8. Okay. 5 plus 3 upon 8. So 5 plus 3 is 8 and here 8 will come. Here 8 will come. By mistakenly 9 written over here. So 8 upon 8. So can you tell me 8 upon 8 is 8 was the 8, 8 was the 8. 1 upon 1. 1 upon 1 is 1 only. So this fraction answer is 1. This fraction answer is 1. Understood? Understood, student? Now we'll solve the second one. Question number 2. Okay. Mother gave 3 upon 8 of one gava to Meena and 2 upon 8 of the gava to Geeta. What part of the gava did she give them all together? Okay. Okay. मदर ने 3 अपॉन 8 गैवा किसे दिया? मीना को. और 2 अपॉन 8 गैवा किसे दिया? गीता को. सो व्हाट पार्ट ऑफ गैवा डिड शी गिव देम ऑल टुगेदर? तो दोनों को मिलके उन्होंने कितना गैवा दिया वो हमें फाइंड आउट करना है. सी व्हेन द ऑल टुगेदर वर्ड इज देयर दैट टाइम वी हैव टू डू एडिशन. ओके. सो आवर आंसर मदर गेव 3 upon 8 gava to Meena. She gave 2 upon 8 to Geeta. Okay. So altogether she gave. How much she gave altogether? 3 upon 8 plus altogether is there. So we'll do the addition. 2 upon 8. Give equal sign. New denominator is same 8. So we'll write 8 only one time. 3 plus 2. Write 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2 is 5. So answer is 5 upon 8. Answer is 5 upon 8. So she gave 5 upon 8 part of gava to both of them, Meena and Geeta. Understood, beta? Understood? Okay. Now we'll see the third sum. Okay. The girls of standard 5th the girls of standard 5th clean 3/4 of a field. The girls of standard 5th clean 3/4 of a field while the boys clean 1/4. 5th स्टैंडर्ड के गर्ल्स ने 3/4 फील्ड क्लीन किया एंड बॉयज ने किया 1/4 क्लीन. सो वी हैव टू find out what part of the field was cleaned by them all together. So all together girls and boys clean the field. So how much part they clean, we have to find that. Okay, so girls of standard 5th clean 3/4 of field. I'll zoom little bit for you. Okay, so girls clean 3/4 of field and boys clean 1/4 of the field. Now all together, okay, all together how much they clean? 3/4 plus 1/4. So what we'll do? Our next step, we'll write denominator one time only 4 because both the denominator are same, 4 4. Now we'll add numerator 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4/4. Okay, 4/4. 4 ones are 4. 4 ones are 4. 1/1. 1/1 मतलब क्या? 1. तो उन सब ने मिलके पूरा फील्ड ही क्लीन कर दिया. द होल फील्ड वॉज क्लीन ऑल टुगेदर. तो दोनों ने, गर्ल्स और बॉयज ने मिलके क्या किया? पूरा फील्ड को क्लीन किया. अंडरस्टूड? अंडरस्टूड एवरीवन? So here we finish problem set 20 also. Now in the next lecture we are going to solve the next problem set. Okay.